Hello. So today, we're going to be talking about some good old food. Not just any kind of food, some food that's actually good for you. So we're going to talk about the Nature's Path Organic Flax Plus Instant Oatmeal. Just a long story short, I've always been the type of person, I can't say always, but in the past, I've really never cared for oatmeal at all. Like, I was so sneaky. When my grandma used to fix oatmeal for me, I would throw it away, but I would eat the bacon and cover it up to protect, and cover it up with like a paper towel to show proof that I ate all my oatmeal. It's just that oatmeal was just so weird to me back in the day. Like, I guess with the oats, and some of the oats was hard, and I felt like I had like tools in my mouth. So as I got older and I was really starting to care about, like, okay, what goes in my body, being active now, you want to remain healthy, you want the good foods in you, you are what you eat. Kept hearing it over and over again. So I was like, okay, let me go ahead and just try oatmeal to see if I'm actually going to like it. And I've pretty much been on experiment on different oatmeals and such, and now I have a like acquired taste for it like sometimes. So, and then I ran into Nature's Path. I think it was maybe 2 years ago, I think it was like last year or 2 years ago, I can't remember. And I got hooked. So I was like, okay, this oatmeal is pretty good. So the one that I normally be eating is the one with Flax Plus, just because, I've heard that flaxseed is really good for you and so forth and stuff. So yeah, I was like, all right, so let's get started. So as you can see, Nature Path's products, they're always organic, and it says that on every single box. So that's one, like, checkpoint, like, okay, cool. So, and it's 37g whole grains per serving, and then it's 6g protein per serving. So you're getting the protein and the grains that you need, the good proteins, as that. And again, like I said before, it's organic. It is a non-GMO product. So a fruit and coconut shown as serving suggestions, and I actually have fruit in my oatmeal that I'm definitely going to show. So, and these are the ingredients of the oatmeal. See, like, things that you understand and that you can pronounce and that you know, not the extra ingredients. That's about this long straight across, and you're just like, what? So yeah, easy. What is this? 4 ingredients in this? 4 piece of cake. Like, I mean, can you get any realer than that? And it's vegan, so anybody that's like particularly vegan, it's safe to eat this oatmeal. And then of course they have the expiration date, which is so smart. I've came across oatmeal so some does not have expiration dates, which is a scary thing. And then as you open it comes in these cute packets like this, with the directions on like how to make it. So normally I do this version of keto directions, but I just pretty much boil my water in like a pot. And so it comes in these cute packets, and it just gives you instructions on like what you can possibly make with oats. I mean, you don't necessarily have to make it with oatmeal. As a matter of fact, I'm pretty much, you can make it like with oatmeal cookies. Like, you can use this to make like oatmeal cookies. I'm pretty sure if you have the instructions on what you need, it's not that hard. So, and then you got a little meal that you can make in strawberry flex overnight oats. And then the story behind of the family. So, and I pretty much wrote it down too, but this oatmeal is like a good source of fiber and low sodium. But Nature Paths, they're a family-owned company. For one, that love is going to be treated in the food. Like, period. Even if it's not food, love is going to be, dedicated to what they love to do. You know what I'm saying? So that's amazing for it to be like a family-owned company. And you see that their promise on the box, like no synthetic chemicals, and over 30 years, and it's non-GMO. And then on the side of the box, it has instructions on it to make it as well. But yeah, it was founded in Vancouver, 1985, by RN. And I do not want to pronounce her name wrong, but I think it's Ratana Stevens. But it's planted back like way in the 1930s when RN Steve was just growing up on his family's second generation organic blueberry farm. So yeah, I mean, this oatmeal is really good. Like, it just tastes healthy and it tastes fresh and it gets you full. The smell of it, it just smells rich. It just smells authentic, and I'm full from eating it. And it comes in 8 packets too. But I'm full from eating it. This is one brand I definitely trust. I definitely can eat their oatmeal with no issues and no problem. So again, this is the Nature's Path Organic Flax Plus Instant Oatmeal. And this is what it looks like when it's cooked. And I just added some fruit, some berries, bananas, and blueberries. You know, just for that extra healthy feel, I guess, and to get some fruit in my body, because I definitely need it and my body is definitely craving for it. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I know it's like, but it's really, really good. This oatmeal is bomb. It's so good.